Hello out there, and welcome to Mary's Creative Decor and Furniture Redesign. And here we go with another project for today. And here's a glimpse of some of the materials we'll be using. I have these two large bowls, and I think they were $2.99, and I did pick them up at the Goodwill. I have two glasses, and these glasses were from Dollar Tree. I have my Deco Art paint in the berry color, and this is a metallic paint. I have a purple metallic paint from Dollar Tree. I have my phone applicator and this bling wrap, and I think I got this bling wrap from Amazon. No, so what I've done is mix my paints together. I took my two shades of purple, I mixed them in a bowl, and I did this so that we can paint the inside of our big bowls. I did make sure my glassware was clean before I began painting. I added one thin layer of paint to my jars, and then we'll let them dry. My first coat is dry, and now we're ready to apply the second coat of paint. And if you hear background noises, please excuse it. It's raining here and my window is open, so you can hear the background noise. Then I take my amethyst paint by Rust-Oleum, I mix it, and I take this paint, and I use it because it matches the bling wrap, and I take and I go in a circular motion around my bowl. The first color I painted top to bottom, but this I'm going in a circular motion. I'll leave a link to all supplies used in the description box below. Then I glued my bowl to the top of the jar. And no, you're looking right, I broke one of the bowls, so we have to figure out what we want to do with the small glass. Now we have to figure out what we want to do with the jars. I cut out a lid for the smaller jar using cardboard. For the larger jar, I have a push light. I'm going to place it in the bottom of the jar to make it a light fixture. I then decided to make a top for the large jar. I used this board to cut out a circular shape for the lid of the jar. I used my scissors to cut it out. And sandpaper to smooth the edges. Then I went ahead and painted both the circular shapes with my amethyst paint. While that's drying, let's work on the clear glass. I want to tape off the bottom of the clear glass. On my freestanding glass, I taped around the bottom on the inside. Now we're ready for paint. We're going to paint the amethyst on the inside of the glass. The other piece will be painted on the outside of the glass. I add 2 to 3 coats before removing the tape. Now it's time to remove the tape. Now it's time to embellish the jar with the bling wrap. I began by cutting my bling wrap into small strips. Then I add it to the center of my glass. Then I cut wider strips to go down the front of my bowl. I then measured and cut another strip to go down the front of the glass. Now I want to turn my attention to my lids. I have this bling wrap and I want to add it to my smaller lid first. I then took my hot glue gun and went around the circular motion. Now this is to keep the lid from moving on the jar. To make the lid look like it's a part of the jars, I then incorporated some of the second bling wrap to that. You know me. I'm going to finish off my edges with 2 rows of bling wrap. Again, I use my hot glue gun to go around the bottom side of my lid. I'm gonna let the hot glue dry on my larger lid. In the meantime, we're gonna add a handle to the top of the lid. I'm using my E6000 to add these crystal knobs and a little hot glue because it is cardboard. I'm going to add my crystal knob to my larger lid and we'll be back for the reveal. And here is my light and jar complete. Absolutely beautiful. If you like purple for royalty, you will love these. Here's here's a closer look at that storage jar. Now, you could use it to put your jewelry in. You could use it for cotton balls, Q-tips, a candle holder, anything you might want to use on your vanity. Absolutely pretty. And here is the larger jar. Now, it does have the push light in it, but again, you could use it for whatever you want to use it for. So if you're out there watching and you enjoy this type of content, you know what to do. You want to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you share this video with your friends and your family. And don't forget the notification bell so you will be aware of all my upcoming videos. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.